Okay, so why is oregano important to the trip, Daniel?
Go slow around corners.
So, last night we had a little bit of a fall. The drawers came spilling open as Daniel floored it into the corner of a truck stop for us to park for the night. Just flew open like we were getting ready to turn, and I was like, he's going kind of fast into this turn, and then he hits the acceleration. And then everything fell over. But we stayed at a truck stop last night. The roads had the potential of getting icy very quickly, and it was getting dark, so I made the executive decision to come in and park. And good thing we did, because we're actually not even in a legit parking spot right now. There's still a truck behind us. I mean, it's one of those things where there was no set parking, but trucks were already parking in that spot. So we got one of the very last spots of the night, and we were just sitting here eating chips, watching the trucks go by, and like they were going back and forth trying to find spots. Like there was, you said there was a cop that came later, yeah, right? Like there was probably a fight up there or something. Who knows? Yeah. But we ended up staying here overnight. It got pretty chilly, as you can see from the rear view mirrors. I think you can see that. That's ice on there. The roads seem okay. We're heading south. We're actually going to wait it out a little bit just to make sure all the ice is off the roads. Dan's going to go in, get breakfast, get coffee. I'm going to get to work on the computer. Once he's back out, I'm going to go in, charge all my stuff, then we're going to hit the road. It's just playing it easy. Like if we had a rental car, we'd be on the road right now. But I have about 1.5 years worth of work in this thing, and I do not want to wreck it. So, we are taking it easy this morning, getting on the road. What'd you think of your first night sleeping in a school bus?
Wasn't bad. I woke up a few times, but that's just because of noise around me. I slept good though.
A little bit different. Daniel had the couch, I had the bed, we had extra sleeping bags, extra blankets. Turned out okay. So I'm gonna start cleaning up in here. Daniel's taking the trash, and then we'll get on the road later.
So Chris has went inside the truck stop to charge up all his accessories, battery pack, all that good stuff. Well, I took it upon myself to clean up the bus a little bit. I don't know where everything goes, so I'm kind of just cleaning up the general vicinity and sweeping, doing what I can to help out while I'm along for the ride. Peace.
Well, right now we are finding tasks to do. Daniel said he just filmed before. I didn't look at it, but we were cleaning up in here. There's a little bit of a mess. Daniel is about to go in and look for new windshield wipers so he can stay busy. These have not been changed since I've had them, and they were probably not changed by the school district. I think this bus sat for about 1 year before they actually put it up for auction. So that is his task. I am editing videos. That's the one thing that I have that's convenient, is I always have stuff to do online. There's always some task. So the first full day on the road has been very exciting, huh?
Oh yeah, adventure filled.
Adventure filled. Okay, so showing you what we're dealing with in terms of the road conditions. We are in the top part of Arkansas right now, where all this pink mess is, ice, sleet, snow. That's exactly where we are. We are right there. There was a big accident right here where they're diverting all lanes of traffic. Looks like they got it cleared up. However, it still is showing ice patches. And like I said before, we're being very cautious with the ice in this rig. Down here, it was all ice patches here. They got that cleared up. We said we'd give ourselves another hour, because what we can do is actually backtrack, go over to right here and just hit green all the way down, back to 40. We have about 40 minutes left. So you can see how interactive this map is. It actually shows accidents as they happen. Definitely suggest this if you are in a tricky situation with road conditions. It'll tell you exactly what's going on. Now it's 33 degrees, where this morning it was like 19 degrees. So hopefully they're able to get some salt down. Daniel has some tasks. I have some video editing to do. We're just waiting it out. What do you think, Kobe's? Kobe's ready to get on the road. Huh, bud? Daniel has the windshield wipers in. That's the cleanest those windows have been. Literally, probably before I had it, because they were dirty when I picked up the bus. And then Daniel was asking, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Yeah, you can see him. He's like, is the plastic on the windows breaking down? I was like, no, that's from grinding wheels. Got some burnt passenger side window flakes there, but we're getting ready to take off. Daniel's driving first. What did we learn yesterday?
Go slow around corners. 5 mile an hour.
At most. The road's cleared up. The road's cleared up. We're right there. There is an accident, but it's just a semi that went off the road, and they're going to be pulling him out soon. So we are getting underway, heading to outside of Dallas today. I'm doing a shoot tomorrow. I think I have 2 shoots tomorrow. Filming a tiny house, then going over to Marathon Coach, and those are the people that do the, you know, $2 or $3 million motorhomes, Prevost motorhomes. So I'll be filming there. Then we're going to be heading down to San Antonio, and then we're just scot-free to film and travel wherever we want over to Arizona. Ready to do this?
Ready.
Well, I'm glad that you have a drive to clean while we're not doing anything. I think the bus is cleaner than it's ever been.
Oh yeah. Can't just sit around and do nothing, that's for sure. Just letting us out.
Because there's so many trucks trying to get out right now. So, I mean, this kind of attests to why we were waiting. The whole parking lot was full at 10 a.m. this morning of trucks on the side of the road just waiting out road conditions. There's the hole we hit last night that dumped all the contents of the shelf.